In this tutorial, I want to share with you how to use Smile app. Smile app is used for making calls when you are abroad, and you can make the calls also when you are within Nigeria. This is an app that I've been using and I've been enjoying it throughout my study, and it's been very cheap connecting with the country back. If you want to connect from abroad back to Nigeria, if to make international calls away from Nigeria, from somewhere around the world to Nigeria, Smile is a very good alternative to use. Okay, you can subscribe to it. Calls with it are very cheap. They are extremely cheap, and you can try it for yourself. So there are a bunch of features. You can even use it within Nigeria, but then they have the Smile app, which you can use seamlessly without the use of any SIM card. Okay, you don't have to use the SIM card. You just have to have the Smile app on your phone, and then you can use it to make call and even utilize the data as well. So to get to Smile app, or to get to the app, you have to contact one of their agents, and they can help you to connect and get and register your SIM. Even though you don't need it, they register and give you the details after you give them all the needed documentations. So once you're done, you have to download the app and install it. Okay, so to download the app, you can just go to your Play Store. Okay, you can just open your Play Store, and then you can just come to the search menu and just search Smile. Okay, you can see it over here, Smile Voice app. Okay, Smile Voice app, and you tap on it and you can see it over here, right? Smile Communications. So you just click to install it. So it is installing now. All right, so once it finished installation, you just click to open it, and you can see Smile over here. So you need to put your account number, your Smile phone number that you are given from the agent, and then you can put the activation code. You will need an activation code which you are going to get from the email that you have registered with. Okay, so you select your country. Now Smile is available in more than one country, more than Nigeria. All right, so you just click to add your Smile number. For example, I add mine, and then I know I will request an activation code, but right now I don't have the activation code. So you can just come over here and click on get activation code. Okay, so you have to put the email address that you have registered with. I put mine, and then you can say submit. And then you say thank you, your activation code has been sent to your email. All right, so you can just go to your email and get your activation code. Okay, so in my own case, I'm here in my email, and you can see the activation code over here. The email has just entered, and you can just click and you can scroll and see it over here. All right, these are my details, and you can see the activation code over here. Okay, so you just select it and you copy, and then you can come back and open the app. Okay, you can come back and open the Smile app. You put the account, the phone number again, and then you can put the activation code. You paste it, the one you've just copied, and then you can log in. All right, you can see you've logged in successfully. You can say allow to have access to your voice, allow, and say okay. So you can click on it easily, and you can see your Smile app freshly installed. Over here you have the keyboard. You can type in your numbers, you can call anybody, or you can create a contact. You can create a new contact after typing the numbers. All right, and you can add a new contact if you have. You can add, or you can create. You can just add to a given contact. You can add this to a given contact, or you can create a new contact by just clicking on this. Okay, you can put in the details, name, the organizations, and then you put the phone number you want to add, as well as the home and maybe notes. Okay, you can put in notes, email, and other things, maybe a group. You can add other fields if you want. You can add another field if you want. And once you're done, you click on OK, and this number is going to be added to your numbers. Okay, so you can come back to the main home. Let's say we come back to the main home, and you can come to these 3 lines, and you can see the settings. You can recharge directly from here by clicking on recharge. You can go to my Smile and log into your account and have access to your details. All right, or you can come to tutorials. You can check tutorials. You can visit the website. You can check their Facebook, Twitter, and call recordings, the calls you have recorded, and you can exit always. So pay attention to this account is ready, because always before you start making calls, this account is ready. This green color text must always be ready. If it's not ready, then you cannot make calls. So you can come back, and over here you can check on starred numbers, number that you have starred, and you can check on recently calls, and you can check on your numbers. To see your contacts, you have to turn it on. Okay, turn on the contacts permission. You can turn on, and you can allow. to see all your contacts. Okay, so you can see a bunch of contacts that you have, and then you can see text messages. All the text messages that you have will be here, okay, to be stored here. And you can come to the search bar here and you can just search for any number that you are looking for, or any name based on name or number, right? So very easy to use, and you can click on this to start sending message directly, very easily. You just write to whom, you just click, and you can navigate to search by number. Okay, you can search by number to the person you are sending, and then you can just type the message over here, right? For example, you type the message and you come here and just search the name. So you just search the name, and once you find the name you are looking for, you just click on it and it will send. Once you click on this, it is going to send this message to this particular person. All right, so this is how to actually use Smile app for your calls, for your to register it, and to use it for your calls, for your text messaging and all that. Feel free to try it, feel free to buy it and explore it. It's very cheap. Like I said, if you are abroad, you want to make calls to Nigeria, this is a very good alternative, even though sometimes they used to have some network issues, but the overall performance and experience is fantastic. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you will enjoy it also. So give it a try and let me know what you think in the chat box. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.